Alright, hello everybody and welcome to a video sponsored by Nordace. So Nordace has recently sent me one of your latest backpacks in your backpack lineups, and this one is called the Nordace Siena Pro 15 backpack. So this thing is a 16-inch size backpack, and it is the perfect travel companion for your everyday journey. So I'm gonna do a little what's in my backpack, because I've been in search of a proper tech backpack for traveling, and this guy might be just the one. So this is how the backpack looks from the front. Two slots on each sides over here, a little water bottle slot that extends, by the way, so it fits a larger water bottle. Only on one side, a little USB port over here for you to put a power bank inside and charge your phone on the go. A little Nordace logo over here. On the back, there is a little slot over here for you to, which acts sort of like a pass-through for you to put on your trolley, so that's good. And then there's a little slot over here for all your important stuff. On the top, well, there's a slot for a 16-inch laptop over here, very well padded on the back. And on the main slot that they call the Pack Smart system, that is all for the rest of your stuff. So very nice, very cool. So I'm gonna show you what I pack in this bag should I ever travel. So I guess object number one would be something that I would love to bring around, especially since I'm a huge gamer. I love gaming. I miss the PlayStation Portable days. Mobile gaming has been a little bit subpar recently, but it's on the rise, especially with the iPhone 15 Pro Max, as you can see over here, that supports console level quality. And for console quality games, it needs a console style controller. So I got right over here a PlayStation Backbone, which I made a video on recently. You can go check that out if you want. I would love to bring this around. Very nice, very compact, and it will definitely fit in the front slot, as you can see over here. And I'm gonna put this in the transparent slot, as you can see over here. Very nice, very large also, so I'll fit it right there for the time being. Very nice. And obviously, since I'm packing around, I want another option, an option that is kind of overkill if you're asking me. I'm gonna pack the next item, this guy right here, which is also a gaming console, slightly better, slightly bigger than the PlayStation Backbone, which is just a controller, by the way. So I am going to pack this guy alongside the carrying case. So this is how it looks on the inside. Obviously the Steam Deck, a really large console. Very hard to find like a proper bag to fit, so I'm glad that this guy fits in this guy as well. It didn't take too much space, so you can fit more things despite putting this guy inside. So very nice. Making a video on this, do expect one soon. PlayStation Backbone, and also so the PlayStation Backbone and Steam Deck for traveling purposes, for I don't know, for entertainment purposes. Very nice. Now, I'm not really a fan of traveling with my laptop. I don't really need my laptop going around, but if I needed it, there's a slot for it, very well padded slot. But for now, I'm going to fit the Steam Deck right over here, which fits absolutely perfectly over here. Plus it's well padded for protection, and it fits. Most bags that I've tried with a laptop compartment don't fit the Steam Deck. Like, it's too narrow, because it's like trying to be as narrow as possible to fit the main slot. So this one is like fairly thick and big, where it doesn't really bulge even when I close it. As you can see over here, there's no bulge. I mean, you can't really see it, but I can feel it. Like, there's no bulge on the back, so it's fairly comfortable to carry even with Steam Deck on the back slot. So the next item that I'm going to use, obviously very important, comes in handy, especially when I'm recording videos and all sorts, which is this guy, the Ulanzi VL90 RGB lighting mode. So I think I've shown this before in my previous Nordace backpack review. So this guy is still here, still strong, and as you can see, very nice. Plus you can change the color temperature, and it's got RGB lighting. So if you change the mode over here, hold on to this, and voila, it's purple now, but you can sort of like change it. Hold on, you can sort of change it from different colors. So now it is orange, yellow, green, teal, blue. Now set it towards the purple spectrum. There you go. Soon red. There you go. It's pink. Now it's red. It doesn't really appear in the video, I think, but this is it. Very nice, very handy device, especially for photography, for video taking. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna pack this. Plus it serves as a little torchlight, so pretty cool. Zoom. So there's tiny little slots, as you can see. Ooh, this looks perfect. There's tiny little slots inside, as you can see over here down there, so you can put like cards, wallets, or tiny items like this guy right here. So I'm gonna pack this guy in one of the slots down here, and as you can see, fits perfectly. Now the next item that I will consider handy, but technically it's two items, I'm gonna combine it as one, is the Seagate 1 terabyte hard drive alongside its wire and a Ugreen USB Type-C adapter dongle. So this is the dongle, 4-port USB 3.0 hub that connects via Type-C, as you can see over here, for faster connections. It's got 3 hubs, and this is what I use to transfer my files from here to my iPhone or my iPad. Perfection. So if I'm doing gaming videos from the PS5 and I'm trying to transfer the footage, this is the guy that I use. Very handy, very reliable, and I love it. Now I would pack these two alongside the PlayStation backbone in the front, as you can see over here. Fits perfectly. This guy also right here. I mean, there's still some room for tinier objects, but it is what it is. So the next item I would pack is a very handy device that I recently purchased, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. You can't see it right now because I'm using it to record, but I'm going to show you the case that it comes with it. So it roughly fits into this form factor. So I can either pack it over here, or if I'm not using a bottle, I can just slot it right over here. Like easier access. So if I'm out and about and I really want to access the camera fast, I can just put it in the water bottle section, remove it, put it back in. It's very secure, very tight, as you can see over here. And yeah, but if I'm traveling in an airport and I want it to be kept in an indiscreet area, harder to steal it, I would put it in one of the slots inside here, as you can see. So there's one right here, bottom of the transparent slot. There's like a little area over here that could also fit the SSD, but for now I'm just gonna use it as that. Mostly another thing that I want to carry around is a wallet if I don't want to put it in my pocket, mainly because this wallet is an RFID blocker. It has some metallic objects inside of this, a wallet by PunCube, by the way. So in airport security, it's very annoying to carry a wallet in your pocket because it's gonna ring the alarm and you're gonna go back and put it in your bag, or you gotta put it in a separate tray. So you don't need that, so you need to put it in your bag instead. Way better. So for this guy right here, I'm gonna put it in the secret slot on the back, in case if I don't need to take it out as much. Put this on the secret slot on the back alongside my passport and other important stuff that I'm afraid of losing, you know. So I'm gonna put it right here, or if I needed to remove it quickly or of sort, I could put it in one of the front 2 slots, which, by the way, I haven't even opened it. So very nice. So one of the front 2 slots over here has like a little netting. There's like a couple of slots over here, so there's like a little fabric slot for you to put your wallet. This is for quick use. And there's other slots over here, including 2 pen slots, so in case if I want to carry, let's say, an Apple Pencil, I can just slot it right there. Okay, I can slot it right here, and be good to go. Furthermore, if I open it even further, I'm not sure if you can see this, but there's like multiple card slots over here with RFID blockers. So if you want to put your credit cards for some reason in your bag, you can do it. There's like 1, 2, 3, 4 slots, and then there's one RFID blocker slot. Very nice. And plus you can fit other things over here. Fairly safe, decent. On the entertainment side of it, I would also like to pack some headphones, as you can see over here, which these are the XM4s, which are my trusted headphones. I love these guys. They've been a solid pair of headphones, the best that I've used, and they've been solid for the past, what, 2-3 years? That's right, we're in the XM5s at the moment, but honestly this guy is like the best value, the best carrying case. Even the noise cancelling is insane. Love to bring this around. So for this guy, I'll just keep it in the main slot in the middle right here. As you can see, very nice. It fits perfectly. So this is the main reason why I don't use laptops. It's mainly because of this guy right here, the iPad Pro, 11-inch iPad Pro, an amazing iPad who has been serving me so well. My main editing hub, in fact. So this is not the M1 iPad Pro. This is the 2020 iPad Pro with the A12 Z chip, a very old chip. It works just fine, no lags, still 120 hertz display. It works fantastic with LumaFusion editing as my personal replacement for the personal computer. It does the job. It's not gonna replace a computer, by the way, not yet. Getting close. Somehow still far, but we're getting there. But so far, as a tablet, as a working device, as an entertainment hub, even to watch YouTube, Netflix, your TV and sorts. Plus it has like the moft mount, so it works very, very well. Very lovely device. I would pack this. And there is a little slot, as you can see over here, to put it. Look at that, fits just perfectly. Plus with the padding seat, despite having the Steam Deck, which is a really thick device in the back, it doesn't really affect the front slot, which is, I love it. So that right here was the Nordace Siena Pack 15, which is an amazing travel backpack, as you can see over here. Just a lovely backpack. Extremely low. I love the straps. So there's a little slots over here. Plus, if you want it to be more secure, guess what? It has a little buckle that closes in to keep it nice and snug and harder for people to steal, I guess. So if you want to get one of these for yourselves, the link will be in the description below. Go check out Nordace and countless of their other backpack lineups. They have very good backpacks, very decently designed. By the way, the material is all waterproof, so if you're worried about getting wet in the rain, plus this looks fabric, but no, it's waterproof. Very nice. So thank you, Nordace, for sponsoring this video. And yeah, that's all I can do for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.